In this example, we're going to factor. For the first example, we're going to see, whenever you're factoring, the first question is always if there's a GCF. You have to ask if there's a greatest common factor between the numbers and the variables. And if so, you have to pull it out. So in this case, let's look at each number. We have 20, 12, and 144. Is there something in common between all the numbers? Well, 12, you have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So does 20 divide by 6? No. Or by 3? Mm-mm. I'm not asking about 144 because I know that 12 is a multiple of 144. So I'm pretty sure what 12 simplifies by, 144 does as well. But 20 is not. So that's the number I'm paying attention and comparing it. I started with 12 because 12 is the smallest number, therefore it has less factors. So we said factors of 12. I have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We already said that 6 is no good. And definitely 12 is no good, right? I think 2 is a little too small. And we said that 3 is no go. So I'm left with 4. And I think 4 is a good number. Because 20 divided by 4 gives you 5. Okay? So they all have 4 in common. Okay, now for the variables, you simply have to take out the smallest variable, the one that has the smallest exponents. In this case, it's x to the 4th. So x to the 4th. X to the 4th. Okay, now you're going to check. 20 divided by 4, 5. Take away 4 from 7. Remember, when you're dividing, you subtract the exponents. So I'm going to have x3 plus 12 divided by 4, 3. Take away 4 from 6, gives me x squared plus 144 divided by 4. I believe that's 11. And subtract that. No x's. They're gone, right? Now, you need to show me what you take out. You need to show me the GCF. So you write the GCF in the front. So all of it together, you have factor and that's simplify. Okay, you simplify. If I were to ask you what is the GCF of this trinomial, you would have said it's just 4x to the 4th. Wait, small 4 right there to the 4. Okay? But I said simplify, factor this. So this is what you're left with. Okay? Now, I don't continue because inside this trinomial, I cannot factor this no more. Okay? So this is my answer. Now for this one, we have to ask the same question again. First question always. Is there a GCF? In this case, is there a GCF? It looks a little bit different, but there is a GCF that you can take out. Okay? So, you have this right here. This is one term. All of this is one term. All of this is one term. Okay. What do you see here that is also here together? Okay? You have x plus 7. X plus 7. So the GCF is x plus 7. So I'm going to put x plus 7. Okay? X plus 7. Okay? When you're dividing, this has one exponent, that one's gone. One exponent, that one's gone. So that's gone. That's gone. What am I left with? Z minus 10. Right? Z minus 10. Well, what was the GCF that you took out? Z plus 7. Okay? So all together, that's your answer. So this is your answer for this example. This is your answer for this example.